Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop. For this beautiful scarf, you will need your selected yarn. I will use Himalaya Snow, suitable crochet hook, measuring tape, scissors, and yarn needle. First, make a slip knot, then chain multiples of 3. In this tutorial, I will make 24 chain stitches to make this scarf. Check your numbers, then skip 3 chain stitches. In the next chain stitch, make 1 V-stitch by making 1 double crochet stitch, chain 1, and another 1 double crochet stitch in the same chain stitch. Now you have the first V-stitch. Repeat this. Skip 2 chain stitches. In the next chain stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 1 and another 1 double crochet stitch, all in the same chain stitch. Repeat this to finish the first row. Then in the last you'll find 2 chain stitches. Skip 1. In the last chain stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch to finish the first row. Then to make the second row, chain 2. Turn your work. Now in the first V-stitch, in the first double crochet stitch, make 1 front post double crochet stitch, then chain 1, then in the next double crochet stitch in the same V-stitch, make another 1 front post double crochet stitch. Now you finished the first V-stitch. Repeat this in the next V-stitches. One front post double crochet stitch in the first double crochet stitch, then chain 1 and another 1 front post double crochet stitch in the next double crochet stitch. Repeat this to finish the second row. In the last chain stitches space, make 1 double crochet stitch to finish the second row. To make the third row, chain 2, turn your work, then in the next chain space make 1 V-stitch, repeat this in the next chain space, skip 2 front post stitches, then in the next chain space make 1 V-stitch, in the last you will find 2 chain stitches. In the chain 2 space make 1 double crochet stitch to finish the third row. Now repeat the second row by chain 2 and repeat the second row. Then after you finish the second row, repeat the third row, then repeat the second row and repeat this to finish your project as you like. To finish your project with this beautiful stitch, finish your work with the V-stitch row, chain 1, pull the yarn, cut the yarn to fasten off and weave in ends with yarn needle.